Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment, share. Everything you do does help the channel. If you want to help out more, get yourself a mug, sticker, or tote bag. You can head over to my Patreon. Link will be in the description. I do exclusive giveaways on YouTube. And stay tuned at the end for bonus footage.
All right, welcome everybody. We are here in the Great White North. That happens to be summer, so she's a little green. I got a special video for you today. We're going to be shooting 1,000 feet per second hollow point pellets at a Zippo. We're going to see what the damage is, what she does. This pellet gun is pretty strong. And we're going to be shooting a 41 replica brass. This is what they had in World War II. This is what the Zippo commercial is about one of these. People do shoot them on YouTube, but the thing is that they're just shooting regular Zippos. What you really need is a steel case, because that's what they were in World War II, to actually test it and see how good they are. But since this is only a pellet gun, we're just going to do the brass. I do have a steel case Zippo to do. Actually, it's right here. Oh, sorry. It's actually right here. This is the one from Dependable Flame. It's a 1952, extremely rare. And we're going to see how she holds up. And this is the last time you're ever going to see this looking like this. I don't know what's going to happen. I have no idea. All I do know is that this gun rips through pellet cans and things like that. But this is all for scientific research, nothing else. This is all we want to know is how well it holds up to 1,000 foot per second projectile. We're going to find that out right now. What I'm using here, I am using the webley 1,000 foot per second. I can't remember which one this is, but it's a good little gun. It's a good little pellet gun. She's got some snap. Fire in the hole. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Ooh, look at that. Put a hole right in it. Ooh, right at the bottom too. And it looks like a piece went flying. Look at that. Oh man. That's so cool. Okay, so I don't know, should we load this up and do it again a little higher? Shot number 2, engage. Okay, let's go see the damage here. That's the other side. Okay. Whoa. That put a huge dent in it. It didn't go all the way through like this one did. This one did break through. Did break through the bottom stamp. Thank God my 4-barrel hinge is still good. If you're wondering why I'm shooting this Zippo, it's because I'm actually taking the 4-barrel hinge off anyways, and I'm putting it on my armor. Zippo is not going to make an armor 41, so I'm just going to put a 4-barrel on an armor. But that's pretty interesting. So let's step it up now. Let's see what happens if we move to the old steel case. So let's put the old steel case up there and see what happens. All right, let's see how the steel case held up. Oof. Wow. Man, that thing is a dent and a half. I was just tricking you guys. I would never actually use Dependable Flames real steel case Zippo. I would never do that. This is a steel case that Jeremy gave me. It had black mat all over it. I took it off. It turns out it was copper plated over a steel case. And look, I think I see the projectile. Look at that, just flattened her. Completely flat. And these are hollow points too. Look how smooth. Look how smooth that is on impact. Fits. Let's take a look up here. It fits right in there if you bend that piece back. So what do you guys think? Look at that. Who wants to win this? Alright, I'm gonna try this. Oh yeah, God. Ooh, blew the insert out on that one. Look at that. Look, it seems if you shoot near the bottom, there's a weak spot there and you could punch a hole right through it. So, good to know. Good to know. Man, that was pretty fun. I gotta do more of these. Oh, is that the... No. I'm trying to see where the pellet went. Oh, there's a shard of it. There's a shard of it. But let's see. Is it in there? Let's see. Oh, look at that. Totally bent that insert. Didn't go through. Oh, look what we got. Look what we got sitting at the bottom. Wow. Punched right through a steel case Zippo. Oh, and if anybody's wondering, I did bring a magnet to test this, by the way. Right here. Look, no insert in there. Completely steel case Zippo. So if 1,000 foot per second pellet punches through a steel case Zippo, I don't think there's too many things that aren't gonna. You guys think I should put a hole in that baby? Maybe I should shoot one of these at the hinge. What do you guys think? I don't know. I'm thinking about it right now. I'm thinking about putting one right in that hinge. Because as you can see on the Zorros, it is thicker. See how it's thin on the sides and then they make it thick on the back. And see how the lid is thick on the back too. That's so they can actually machine in the pin for the hinge. The back on these Zorros is always thicker. I don't know. I've been thinking about it. But after seeing this is a steel case. That's just brass. I don't want to walk around in a dent like that with that. I don't know. Maybe if this video gets enough views and enough traction and enough comments, I'll put this one on the line here. What do you guys say? And then we'll up the calibers and we'll see what happens.